Shubor nakashlem jong unong san Hima.
Katanat puli puthi ka Sarkar Jila kalabu thongbyang ban pendep no banshna yaka Science and Commerce College Mawphlang hapo ulber arajar arpusan katba yaka Science and Commerce College Bahsapara labu thong ban pendep hadu ubnai leber arajar arphundrio kani gajing bu thongbyang ka Sarkar ikini ki artali ki college kadai bala jubab do menteri katanat puli puthi urakam sangma hababu jengkeli unong yalam liang persya u Dr. Mukul sangma hakikanta kali jengkeli hador barmang tingkah Urakam ulayat hu baka Science and Commerce College Mawphlang kajingtray kalayat 500% kebaga Sarkar India kala pelat hadu life hui kelur tam ke pisa hadu kajing pelat pisa keba Sausian kebadai haka pratarik risau arja arpesau naka life hundrio point san kelur tingka kebalamang pisa Shu urakam ulayat hu baka jingtray yaka Science and College Bahsapara kalong 100% hak baka Sarkar India kala pelat pisa tang arpulai kelur tingka tam hadu ka arpu pratarik risau arja arpesau kebadai kajing pelat pisa kebalaisian kebaga Sarkar India kala mang pisa hadu life hundrio point lai iwe kelur tingka
Question was small, but we are giving a quite long and detailed reply, sir. Sir, the status of Science and Commerce College Mawphlang is as per below, sir. So number one, the project is being implemented by PWD building. So number two, the overall physical progress of civil construction work is 86%. So number three, the resettled date for completion of the project is March 2025. So number four, the government has conveyed approval for creation of 46 force. So number five, the preparation of plan estimate for the external electricity power supply, external power supply connection, and blacktopping and approach road are under process. So number two, so the status of Science and Commerce College Bahsapara is as per below, sir. So the project is being implemented by PWD building. So the overall progress is 66%. So the resettled date for completion of the project is March 2026. Sir. Number four, the government has conveyed approval of 46 posts. So number five, the plan and estimate for external power supply and external water supply connection and approach road are under process. So number B, so the total amount of money sanctioned by the Government of India for the project Science and Commerce College Mawphlang is 36.55 crore, which was released on 30/6/2017 with a funding pattern 90:10. So the total amount released by the Government of India for the project is 31.1685 crore. So the token money amounting to rupees 10 lakhs was released on 30/6/2017. So first installment amounting to 11 crore 06 crore was released on 1/11/18. So second installment amounting to 11.501 crore was released on 27/1/2024. So third installment amounting to 8.5075 crore was released on 8/10/2024. So B, the total amount of sanction where the Government of India for the project Science and Commerce College Bahsapara is 36.31 crore on which was released on 36/2017 with a funding pattern of 90:10 ratio. So the total amount released by the Government of India for the project is 23.5274 crore. So number one, the token money amounting to 10 lakhs was released on 36/17. First installment amounting to 12.1 crore was released on 28/9/17. So second installment amounting to 18.027 crore was released on 25/4/23. However, during the financial year 23 and 24, the implementing agency utilized only 1.66 crore and the partial UC was submitted on 26/4/2024. The unutilized amount 16.36 crore was left due to the slow progress of works. So the third installment amounting 9.66 crore was released on 28/10/2024, sir.
Dr. Mukul, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, at the very outset, let me bring it to the notice of this August House that this particular reply for A is incomplete. So may I request the Minister in the first instance to complete this reply, because A1 and A2 The question is pertaining to the status of both the colleges. Here, one is missing, the financial progress. We've given the physical progress, but the financial progress is missing.
May I get a question again, sir?
The question is incomplete because my question is very clear. The status of both the projects. Status, the Honorable Minister has indicated in his reply about the physical progress, overall physical progress. But what is the progress in as far as the financial progress is concerned for both the projects?
So I have already said this, sir. The overall progress, physical progress is 86%, sir. And sir, the question was only for the physical progress, sir.
No, Mr. Speaker, sir, the reply is not complete. Physical progress and financial progress. This is how we usually refer to status of any project which is taken up, which is in the process of implementation.
Speaker, sir. So with respect to physical progress, sir, we have mentioned that the Mawphlang College is 86% and the Mahendra Girls College is 66%, sir. So, however, the financial progress for the Mawphlang College is 94%, sir.
What about the other one?
Speaker, sir. Sir, and the financial progress for the Mahendra Girls College is 70%, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the financial progress must commensurate to the physical progress vis-a-vis the bill of quantity. You know, so may I know from the Honorable Minister in respect of his reply to B, the last one in respect of the Science and Commerce College L, it is Bahsapara, not Bahsapara, maybe corrected, Bahsapara, Mahendraganj. Now, in regard to this, as far as Government of India is concerned, the token money is released in 10 lakhs of token money was released in 2017 in the month of June. And then the second installment of 12.1040 was released on the 28th of September 2017. Now may I know therefore from the Minister in charge, what is the total amount of money that has been paid to the contractor in both the cases?
Speaker, sir, that exact figure is not with me right now. So, sorry, I record notice, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, why I have asked this is because in his reply, it is reflected that the second installment amounting to 18.027 crore was released on the 25th of April 2023. However, during the financial year 2023-24, the implementing agency has utilized only 1.66 crore and partial utilization was submitted on the 26th of April 2024. Therefore, there needs to be a clarity about whether it was because of the non-payment of the bill which was submitted by the contractor, or the contractor was not able to submit the bill to that extent of which the physical progress was already completed.
Speaker, sir, this question, sir, it is because it is not a payment of the bill, so it's a contractor was very slow and the contractor could not do the work, therefore, so the progress of work very slow and the implementing agency could not use the funds. Sir.
Then in that case, Mr. Speaker, sir, whether any necessary steps, since every contractor is bound by certain provision as agreed upon in the agreement entered between the implementing agency and the contractor, whether any necessary steps as required was taken on the contractor concerned so that the program doesn't get derailed.
Speaker, sir, government is aware and we are very much serious, sir. Therefore, we want to complete the project at the earliest, sir. Therefore, government department has taken issued strong support to the contractor, and now, but the contractor has replied, citing the various reasons for the delay. But now, sir, we are on the right track, and the progress of Bahsapara, the Mandagan's work is very smooth and.
Bahsapara.
Yes, sir. I stand corrected, sir. So work is on very progress right now, sir.
Now, Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Minister what was the intent of the government to embark upon this particular important initiative? What was the intent?
Speaker, sir. So, the question of intent, the ambition, sir, everybody knows, sir. The science and the commerce courses will be there, sir, for the degree courses, and we are going to start from this academic, sir.
You see, why I put this supplementary? Because there is such a huge demand for enrollment. And our youth are being compelled to go outside the state. Also, resorting to, out of compulsion, getting admitted in private institutions. We wanted to ensure that the demand for enrollment, particularly in the science sector and commerce sector, is taken care of. Therefore, may I therefore get a categorical assurance from the government, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, that all the necessary steps will be taken in that manner that the project is completed and the academic session starts at the earliest.
Speaker, sir, I have already assured the House that we are aware, sir, what the Honorable LO has said is very much true, sir. So we are the platform, the institutions in the state is not enough to cater the required number of demands of our students. Having said so, sir, we can know that from 2017, it's almost 7 to 8 years now. Therefore, sir, we want to start at the earliest, and therefore, sir, the step for the recruitment of the faculty member is on, sir. We have already advertised, and we want to place the faculty maybe in next after 1 month, and we want to start this academic in this current academic 2025 and 26, sir, in both Mandagans and Mawphlang Science and Commerce College, sir.
So this is an assurance, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the Minister.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Pak Adelbert, please.
So one supplementary to Honorable Minister, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I didn't see anywhere mention about the, component hostel. Whether there is any component which having a separate hostel at the Mawphlang Science Commerce.
Speaker, sir, yes, sir, very much. Sir, both in the Mawphlang College of Science and Engineering College, Science and Commerce College, and both Mawphlang and the Mandagan, sir. Sir, the component are academic block, boys hostel, girls hostel, SOD quarter, principal quarter, lecturer quarter, staff quarter, auditorium, library and archive, and boundary walls, sir, in both the college.
Bristol, please.
May I know from the Minister in charge of education, because just now he had assured us that the academic session will start soon this year. But then as per the reply, as far as the progress of work is concerned, especially in Bahsapara, Mahendraganj. The rescheduled date of completion of the project is 31st March 2026.
Sir, so we have reviewed this at detail. I just want to add to the Honourable Minister's reply. That, sir, we are aware that the construction is taking more time than we had expected for multiple reasons. But we strongly felt, we debated this and discussed this in detail, we strongly felt that we must start the academic sessions because the students require the courses. And therefore, wherever the building has been completed, the classrooms will be fully made functional and interiors will be completed. And while the construction of the rest of the part is going on, we will start the classes so that students don't miss out this year also. Otherwise, we'll have to wait till next year. And even 1 year is very important. So therefore, given the limited space, whatever the building space is available, we will start the course, keeping in mind that the construction should continue and the building, that part that has been completed, full infrastructure will be done and contractor will be pushed to finish the building, is being done in the interest of the students so that our students can start the courses. There will be slight inconvenience maybe for a year, but I think it's better than losing 1 year of academic courses for the students of that area.